Welcome back. Super excited. In this short lecture, I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate and give you the explanation of where you can go and download the Ubuntu if you're using a Windows computer, for example. So just navigate to ubuntu.com, and there are several versions of this particular OS operating system they can download. So for instance, if I were to click on or hover over downloads, you'll notice it says overview, cloud, IoT, server, desktop, and so on. So these are all different versions or types that you can go ahead and download. You can also take a look at Ubuntu flavors. These are just the variations of this particular operating system that you can take a look at. But right now we're concerned and focused on downloading the desktop version. It gives you more control. And the latest version is 18.4, which is optimized for the multi-cloud infrastructure, machine learning, AI, and software development. So go ahead, as a homework task, just click on desktop. It's going to go ahead and give you the download option, and I've downloaded it here. Notice it says the ISO, right? So it's an image that you need to mount so that you can operate in a dual boot environment. So once you've downloaded the ISO, it's about a 2 gigabytes file, so fairly large, and it'll take you some time depending upon your internet connection. But I'm going to demonstrate and show you once I download. I'm going to click on show in folder so you can actually see this particular .iso file. And notice it's about 1.876, right? 1.9 approximately gigabytes. You need about 30 gigs of space on your hard drive or partition or whatever you want to install. So as soon as you have the ISO image, I'm going to go ahead and mount this image so that it gives me the folders. Open the install folder, and of course you can begin the installation based on where you want to install. In my instance, this is going to be on the F drive that I've mounted. So I'm going to leave it at this. Go ahead, practice, install Ubuntu on your machine. If you have any questions, post it in the discussion area. And with this, let's move to the next lesson.